Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Pocha with Wildcraft Medicine, Naturopathic Health and Wellness, and I am super excited to talk to you guys today about leaky gut and why it's so important to make sure that we're addressing gut health. I see so many of my patients come in dealing with all sorts of gut issues, but also body-wide issues that are directly and indirectly related to their gut health. So, the gut is our center of our body. It's also the center of our health. We have about 80% of our immune system located inside the gut. We also make most of our serotonin, which is a really important neurotransmitter in our gut, as well as some other neurotransmitters. And the diversity of our microbiome, so all the different good flora in our gut, can directly affect metabolism. We're breaking down food, we're absorbing nutrients, making other hormones. There's just so much going on in our GI tract, and it's just really critical to make sure that all that is functioning as optimally as possible so that we can feel our best. So leaky gut, or increased permeability of the gut lining, happens when the mucosal membrane, so the layer that's on the inside of our gut, starts to expand. So most of the time it looks like this, and we have something called tight junctions. When there's inflammation, we start to see an expansion of the mucosal membrane and spaces where things can escape through. So we may see things like food particles that aren't fully broken down, different infections that may leak through, different medications that aren't fully broken down. And what happens is the immune system that's circulating the blood sees these particles and recognizes it as something foreign. And so it creates a cytokine response or an inflammatory response, which can create issues all over the body. We may see gas and bloating and issues with constipation or diarrhea, but we also may see things like brain fog, memory issues, headaches, joint pain, even things like autoimmune disease. So it's really critical to make sure that we are supporting the integrity of these tight junctions and the gut lining. But even more so, we want to make sure that we're asking the bigger question: why is there leaky gut in the first place? Where is the inflammation coming from? And that's our job. Our job is to be the inflammation hunters. Figure out why you have a leaky gut in the first place. And there are lots of different reasons that it could be happening. It could just be from stress. It could be from environmental toxins, food and food sensitivities, different drugs and medications. It could be happening because of lack of sleep, infections, both things like the cold and flu, but also chronic infections like parasites and yeast. So there's lots of different factors, and it's our job to figure out why and what's there. That way we can heal the gut and also make sure that it doesn't just keep coming back with leaky gut. When you do heal leaky gut, you will get rid of most of people's initial symptoms, and then you can really see underlying all those issues what's really going on. So I'm really passionate about healing the gut, addressing leaky gut, and we're going to talk a little bit about how to do that next. Stay tuned.